Welcome to the FAQ training. Let's get started. First of all, log in as usual. And if we look on the left-hand admin menu, we now see a new feature called FAQs. If we open it up, it looks much like all the other features in that we can list and add questions. In this case, we can list and add groups as well. The questions are obvious. They are the question and answers we want to display in a group. The groups are there so that we can display different blocks of questions and answers on different pages if necessary. So let's get started then by adding a new FAQ group. We simply do that by selecting FAQ groups and using add group. When we do that, a single title opens up and we simply add a name and press publish, in which case we see the then listed group name on the right. Okay, next we do add question, and we can do that either by listing and adding new question or using add question directly. Fill the title in, fill the question in, fill the answer in using the WYSIWYG block, select the FAQ group, the one we just created, decide which order, which place in the list this question comes, select which page it goes on and publish. Once we've done that, we'll end up with the next stage. To do that, we need to place the FAQ group on a page. In this case, I created a page called FAQ, gave the URL the same thing, FAQ. I then selected the FAQ list. And I've only got one at the moment, so it's immediately said, well, what color do you want? And I want a high contrast color between the background and foreground for readability. Select that about the template group I'd created earlier. And let's remember now to fill in the description and keywords. Why? It helps with SEO. Once we've finished that, we can simply press publish. If we preview, what do we see? Well, there we have. I've actually slightly ahead of myself in that I've shown it on a page which I created called FAQ, as you remember, and I'd already put that in this case in the menu. But if once I display it, this is the type of thing I'll see. So how did it do the menu? Well, here you can see me adding a menu item, adding a link in the menu. In this case, I called it FAQ as you saw. The URL was the same, /FAQ, publish again. We can now see where it is in the menu. I could move it or not, and then publish again. That's kind of it. Once we've done all this, we can basically go on and look at the finished menu. As I say, FAQ. If I go ahead and look at the page itself, just by changing tabs in the background, you can see the FAQ page here and the various questions and answers that I added. Hope you enjoyed that training and hope you enjoy using the feature. Thank you.